Hello, everyone, and welcome you all to the first chapter of the MS Word tutorial. So now we are on our chapter number one, where I'll be giving you guys an introduction to MS Word. Okay, so here in this particular chapter, I'll tell you guys that in this MS Word tutorial, what all we gonna learn, what are the things that we will be exploring here. So let's not waste time and let's get started. So in this tutorial, we will explore the MS Word, which is a powerful word processing tool. Okay. So when you hear powerful word processing tool, that means that they do have different kind of tools which will actually let you work with different kind of font, will let you work with different kind of colors and also different kind of shapes at the same time, where we guys will be able to make some professional looking official documents. It can be a CV, it can be a brochure, okay, it can be any kind of official document or any kind of project as well. Okay, so designed for professional, and it offers various features that basically enhance your productivity and streamline document creation. Okay, so there is no such thing that, well, they do have only one kind of font, or they do have only one kind of color that you are gonna use, or that's only available over there. So there is nothing else. So there is various features, not only font, not only color. They do have different kind of shapes. You can import images. You can make some stunning designs if I tell you guys all together. Okay. So now let's dive into its capabilities and learn how to maximize its potential for your workspace needs. So we're gonna talk about the user interface. Okay, so we will understand that how the user interface is. So whenever you are starting to work on a new software or you're starting to work on a new application, so it's very important that you understand about the interface and also the workspace of how everything works. First, you need to know, right, where, let's say you want shape, you want to put on some shape inside your Word document. So first you need to know that where that particular option is available. So according to that, you guys can basically go to that particular option, and from there you guys can basically access that. So we were all going to learn about the ribbon, like what is a ribbon, okay, what a toolbar is, what the status bar is, and also provide access to essential tools. So we'll be familiarizing ourselves with these elements, which enhances our ability to create and edit documents efficiently. Well, if you already do have a Word document made by others, so there is this particular thing as well, from where you guys can basically edit that particular document as well. Like if that particular document is not locked, like it's not guarded by a password, or it's an open thing and they have enabled editing in that particular Word file, then obviously you guys can basically edit that particular Word file as well. Okay. So the next thing what we're gonna learn about is document formatting basics. Okay. So as I was telling you guys already about how to change your font, how to change the color, we will also learn about different kind of alignment and also different kind of page layout options. So mastering document formatting is vital for professional presentation. So we'll be learning to utilize font styles. Okay, as I've already told you that there are various font type that you guys can use. And also we'll be learning about paragraph alignment. Let's say you do have multiple paragraphs, and those multiple paragraphs you want to align them accordingly. Let's say you want to align them on the left hand side, you want to align your heading in the center, you want to align, or you want to get a page layout which have a cushion from all the sides, like for 3 mm, or there is 4 mm gap. Okay, you guys can actually do that over here in MS Word. So proper formatting not only improves readability but also enhances the overall appearance of your documents. So when you're creating a document, you want some other people to read your document. So you want to make your particular document more readable, that the person who is actually reading your document finds it good reading it. Like, it shouldn't be messy, the font shouldn't be too small, the font shouldn't be too big, and the font should be looking good and also should have the nice color. So we need to keep those things in our mind when we work. And also we are gonna learn more about how you can actually make your letter italics, how you're gonna make it bold, how to put underline beneath that. We will learn about that as well. And the next thing, what we're gonna learn is utilizing templates. So in MS Word, let's say you want to create a particular document. Let's say you want to create a presentation, let's say. And in those presentation, now you don't have that particular time to create a template from scratch. So they also provide you with ready-made templates where you can just get that particular template and basically replace your text over there. Okay, so templates are a great way to save time and ensure consistency. Okay, so MS Word basically offers a variety of pre-designed, which is pre-made design templates for different document types. Let's say you want to create a CV, so they do have different format of a CV as well, or different templates for a CV. If you want to make an invoice, okay, you can actually make it from the available templates. Or if you want to download more templates, you guys can download more templates as well, which you want to use inside Word. Okay, you just need to go to your Google, just make sure you search according to the keywords. Let's say you want to search different templates for CV for MS Word. So if you search that, you guys will able to see that there are multiple options and you guys can just download any of those and basically enable editing later once you are done working. Okay. So by using these templates, you can quickly create professional looking documents tailored to your specific needs. Okay, let's say the one which you will download, they might have some other names, or they that might be a demo document. So what you can do is you can enable the editing, and from there you can just edit all the informations that you want to provide inside that particular document. Like whatever you want to change, you guys can change it from there. So it's very quick, like you don't have to put on much effort, and unique at the same time as well. Okay. So the next thing what we're gonna learn is about inserting elements. Okay. So enhance your documents by inserting various elements such as tables. Okay. If you need tables like to write something. Let's say you are making any kind of bill or you're maintaining the student register. In that case, you guys can basically make tables. And also, while making tables, you do have the option of how many rows and how many columns you are looking for. Okay, so you guys can do that. And also, you guys can basically insert images and also insert different kind of charts. Okay, so these features allow you to present information clearly and effectively. So making your documents more engaging and informative for your audience. Let's say you do work in a company and you have to give a presentation, whether it be a company or whether it be in your class if you're a student. Okay. So in that case, you need to give a presentation. So you can prepare those slides or prepare those documents in MS Word as well. And how it will be more visually appealing. So you need to think that, well, if you are a marketing student and you are comparing some of the prices of a particular product in the market, so in that case you guys can use charts, or you guys can use different kind of images which are very related to your topic and also visually appealing. So inserting element also changes the look of the document which you're using, so that is also quite important, and we're gonna learn about that as well. Okay. So over here, we will also learn about the collaboration tools. So MS Word basically includes powerful collaboration tools that facilitate teamwork. So there are different features like comments. Let's say there is a particular Word document in which three or four of us are using. And there, I want to make a change. Let's say we did divide our work into that particular document. And if I want to leave a comment for my team member, I will be able to do that. And also, if I am the in charge of that particular document or that particular work, I can also track the changes, and also I can see the real time editing. And also you can basically enable multiple users to work on document simultaneously. Okay, so let's say you guys can work on a Word document simultaneously at the same time, which will basically enhance your productivity and also communication between the members using that particular document. Okay. So over here, lastly, we're going to learn about saving and sharing the documents. Okay. So properly saving and sharing your documents is essential in a professional environment. Let's say you did save your document and you did have a lot of information and you're using a desktop and the current went off, or by somehow your computer turned off. So in that case, what are you gonna do? You need to think about that. So make sure that whenever you're working on a professional document or in a professional environment, first save your document and then work. Because once you save that, if your computer or if your PC like shut down by itself anyhow, then in that particular case, you need to make sure that the document which you have already worked on is saved in your PC. So we're going to learn about different file formats. Like there is a PNG format, there is docs format, you can get it in an Excel format, and also there are different formats which we're gonna learn. Okay, and it also includes cloud storage, like if you want to save your Word document into the cloud storage, or if you want to send it to any of your email to ensure your work is accessible and also secure at the same time. So these all features are available. And lastly, I like to say in conclusion that mastering MS Word is crucial for professionals aiming to enhance their document creation skills. So by understanding its features and tools, you can improve your productivity and produce high quality documents that meet your professional standards. So yeah, I hope you guys to have understood this introductory class, that what all we're gonna learn throughout this chapter. So I hope to see you all in the next chapter where we're gonna start with the workspace and the interface of MS Word. So I hope to see you all in the next chapter. Till then, take care and goodbye, everyone.